199 total yards and a 41-7 victory over the Raiders that night. Those were the days.
Happy holidays.
Oh, it doesn't look that different,
Sports
actually.
family.
Well, now there's traffic.
Sirius XM.
Today at 4:05 p.m. Eastern, catch the Texans taking on the Broncos on Sirius
Some snow
125,
on the
Sirius
side.
154, and with the best of Sirius on XM 106. Listen to the Colts battling the Raiders on Sirius 126, Sirius 129, and with the best of Sirius on XM 102.
And the games don't stop there. Go to Sirius.com/NFL for game times and channel listings. Sirius NFL Radio. All NFL. All the time.
Pete Anthony. This is not like every other radio show out there. This is not a radio bit.
Unpredictable.
Ken Gillette is in studio.
Matt Cooper, thank you for having me on. Now your ratings should go right through the roof.
Colin Quinn. Anyone associated with Jerry Seinfeld should not have to be in the room when this shenanigans. This was the most brutal thing I've ever seen in my life.
Only on Sirius XM. The Pete Anthony Show featuring comedian Jim Miller.
Here's a great quote. That guy's annoying.
Weekday mornings at 6 Eastern on the Virus. XM 202. Sirius 197 is part of the best of XM.
The biggest coaching names in college basketball have their shows on SiriusXM College Sports Nation.